Hello class, today is Wednesday, June the 3rd, 2020. And today we're going to learn verbs, okay? So remember, verbs are actions, okay? And the actions are the things that we can do, are things that you can do. Los verbos son acciones y son cosas que puedes hacer y en ocasiones cosas que no puedes hacer, ¿ok? So, for example, the first one is run. Then we have fly, ¿ok? The next one is walk. Then we're going to have talk, swim, and finally climb. Now everybody stand up. And now we are going to do it, okay? So now everybody run, run, run very fast, run. Now everybody fly, fly like a butterfly, fly. Okay, then we have walk, walk, walk. Nice. Now talk, blah, 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 blah. Now swim, swim, swim. Okay. Now climb, 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 climb. Okay, class, very good. You can sit down. Now open your class book in page 102. And we are going to listen to the vocabulary words, okay?
Listening 141. Listen and point.
Run, lie,
Walk,
talk, swim, climb,
walk,
run, climb,
talk,
swim,
fly. Listen and repeat.
run,
Fly,
walk,
talk,
swim,
climb.
Now let's listen to the chant.
Listening 142. Listen and chant.
You can dance, okay?
Run, run, run. Fly, fly, fly.
Or you can do it.
Walk, walk, walk. Talk, talk, talk. Swim, swim, swim. Climb, climb, climb.
Now we are going to watch the video of the story.
Look at my toy, Uncle. His name's Action Boy.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Look, he can run. Look, Tim, Action Boy can fly.
Great! Can he play football?
Yes, he can. Look, Rosie, Action Boy can walk. He can run and he can fly.
You are clever, Action Boy. How old are you, Action Boy?
Silly Rosie, he can't talk. He's a toy.
Now, pause the video and read the story aloud. Ahora ponle pausa al video y lee la historia en voz alta. Cuando termines, le vuelves a poner play, ¿ok? Now, open your workbook in page 102. And let's go to exercise number 1. Repeat. Walk, run, climb, talk, swim, fly. Okay, you are going to find the words here and circle. Use different colors, okay? Now, let's go to exercise number 2. You are going to look at the pictures and here you are going to write the correct verb, okay? Vas a ver las imágenes y vas a decir qué es lo que cada niño o niña o animal está haciendo, okay? Now, when you finish, you are going to work here. And you are going to copy these words and illustrate, or you can print them. And remember to practice spelling bee. Recuerda que es muy importante que sigas practicando spelling bee. So, practice spelling bee with these words, okay? And that's it for today, class. Goodbye. Have an excellent day.